Your name's Cindy, not Cinderella. You go to the party. You go to the party.
Cindy. Cindy. Wake up, Cindy.
What? Who's there? I don't see anybody.
Of course you didn't. I'm not just anybody. I'm your fairy godmother.
Sure.
You don't believe me? Well, that's up to you. I just thought you might want to go to that party.
Oh, I do.
We've got some work to do. We've got to get you ready.
Oh, but I wasn't invited to the party. They probably thought I'd rather play basketball or go fishing or...
Well, you've been invited, all right. I've seen to that. And I'm going with you. But you mustn't tell anyone.
Not even Dennis?
Well, maybe we'd better tell Dennis. I have a feeling he's going to need my help, too. But hurry up or you'll be late.
But the party isn't until this afternoon.
It is this afternoon. Now hurry up, out of bed. Oh, what a mess. Oh, well, that's why I have the magic wand. Ready?
Oh, but this isn't my very best dress.
Oh, now look. You're not going to the party to show off your clothes. But you should be clean and neat when you go to the party. Oh, we'd better hurry now. We don't want to be late. Ready? Here we go to Mary's. Here we are.
Oh, I hope everyone is already here. I'd hate to be the first one.